Picture this, you're preparing for the joyous festival of Eid ul-Fitr. The house needs a spruce up, festive meals need to be cooked, and those twinkling lights won't hang themselves, will they? Here's where SebaBajar swoops in to save your day. SebaBajar is your friendly neighborhood genie, connecting you with nearby service providers through a dynamic mobile app. Need a handyman, a chef, or a decorator? SebaBajar is your one-stop solution. As the crescent moon ushers in the festivities, the team at SebaBajar wishes to extend their warmest greetings. May the blessings of this auspicious occasion fill your homes with joy, peace, and prosperity. Remember, when you're in need, SebaBajar is indeed. This Eid, let SebaBajar be your helping hand, making your festival even more special. And that's a wrap, folks. Stay tuned for more. For more information, visit www.sebabajar.com or email us at contact@sebabajar.com. And don't forget, we also connect you with reliable transport providers to make your Eid celebrations hassle-free.